Check this out. Want to save hundreds on your next trip and skip the stress? These 7 travel hacks feel almost illegal, but they're totally genius. Let's go. Hi, I'm Shantae from Travel Jollies, where we help you travel smart and live free. Today, I'm sharing 7 travel hacks to save you money, time, and headaches on your next adventure. Hack 1. Use Google Flights Price Graph. Always search on Google Flights Price Graph to see which day of the week has the lowest fares. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are usually cheapest. Hack 2. Bring an empty water bottle. Pack an empty reusable bottle and fill it at airport fountains after security. No need to buy expensive water. Hack 3. Book with incognito mode. Always use incognito or private browsing when checking prices. Sites sometimes hike prices if they see you searching repeatedly. Hack 4. Use a credit card with travel perks. Book your flights and hotels with a card that gives you points, free insurance, or lounge access. It really adds up. Hack 5. Roll, don't fold. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and avoid wrinkles. Hack 6. Download offline maps. Use Google Maps offline feature so you're never lost, even without Wi-Fi. Hack 7. Email yourself copies of important docs. Send scans of your passport, tickets, and insurance to your email, just in case you lose the originals. Which of these hacks will you try first? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel Jollies and grab your free travel checklist at traveljollies.com. Thanks for watching. Safe travels and happy adventures. See you in the next video.